Does your fence company have a bunch of reviews just sitting out there that you've never responded to? We put together a little plan in place, some of the best practices for replying to those reviews. And by the way, you should reply to those reviews. Number one, put a system in place. Number two, task someone on your team with replying to every review. It needs to be someone's responsibility. It doesn't have to be yours. And number three, make a strategy for positive and negative reviews. I think the best way to reply to negative reviews is give that person a great acknowledgement, state the facts of what actually happened, and wish them a good day. Okay, I'll give you an example on how to respond to a good review. TK leaves this amazing review. Boom. Thank you for your outstanding review. We're thrilled to hear that you like the cedar shadow box fence we delivered for you. Your satisfaction is our priority. Chef's kiss. One little tip you can pull from this is I recommend if you know what kind of fence you installed on their property and you know where they are, it doesn't hurt to include those things in the review response. Review response number two, in case you needed another example. They provided a beautiful fence. My dog loves it. Thank you, Sydney, for your wonder review. We're delighted your dog is enjoying the new fence. There's our keyword insertion that I was mentioning. Great strategy to pop that in there. Your satisfaction is our priority. We appreciate your kind words about quality and pricing. Great. You gave them a great acknowledgement. They're happy with it. You left a hell of an appreciation. Thank you post. # gratitude.